Welcome to the European Southern Observatory. In this video, we will introduce how to prepare CRIRES Plus observations. CRIRES Plus is the upgraded cryogenic high-resolution infrared X-shell spectrograph, a high-resolution near-infrared spectrograph mounted on the UT3 8.2-meter telescope at Paranal Observatory. With a resolving power up to 100,000, CRIRES Plus covers wavelengths from 0.95 to 5.3 microns, using a cross-dispersed X-shell design. This provides simultaneous coverage of multiple dispersion orders. CRIRES Plus is ideal for studies requiring high spectral resolution in the infrared, such as detecting exoplanet atmospheres, measuring precise stellar radial velocities, and resolving kinematic structure in molecular and atomic lines. Once your CRIRES Plus proposal is accepted, you can move to the ESO Phase 2 tool for preparing your observing material. In the Phase 2, you can define your observing blocks, or OBs, which specify the details of your observations. If you are not familiar with the Phase 2 tool, we have a dedicated video about it in this channel. See link in the description. You can use the CRIRES Plus Exposure Time Calculator, or ETC, to estimate the required exposure time to achieve your desired signal-to-noise ratio. Each OB shall include a target acquisition template and at least one science template. The target acquisition template ensures precise centering of the target. Secondary guiding is done through a slit viewer camera. All CRIRES Plus observations need to define a slit viewer guide star, which can be either the target or a nearby bright star, for this secondary guiding. For the science templates, there are different observing modes to choose from. Nodding along the slit, recommended for point sources. This mode involves moving the telescope along the slit orientation to sample the sky background. This is done for better correction of sky emission lines and sky variations. The generic offset mode, recommended for extended objects for which there is no or not enough sky inside the slit. In this mode, the science exposures are taken at different positions following a user-defined offset pattern. The spectroastrometry mode, where science exposures are taken by nodding the target along the slit and are repeated at any user-defined position angle. In addition to these three modes, CRIRES Plus offers linear and circular polarization capabilities in the YJ and HK bands. The mode polarization, nodding along the slit, allows for linear and circular polarimetry while nodding along the slit. CRIRES Plus offers two choices of slit width, 0.2 and 0.4 arcseconds, to balance between resolution and throughput. It also includes an adaptive optics or AO system, enabling enhanced spatial resolution, especially beneficial for faint sources or crowded fields. Before finishing your Phase 2, please ensure that your OBs meet all general and CRIRES Plus specific requirements, including finding charts, exposure times and offsets, correct position angles, selected AO options, and properly defined acquisition strategies. Once your OBs are reviewed and approved by your assigned support astronomer, your observations will be scheduled for observation at Paranal Observatory. Once the data is taken, it is immediately available for users. Automatic data reduction is performed with the official CRIRES Plus pipeline using the ESO Data Processing System, or EDPS environment, and placed in the ESO Archive, although both raw and reduced data are only public after the corresponding proprietary time. Thank you for watching. More information is available in the CRIRES Plus user manual and associated online documentation. For any questions, please contact us at ESO User Support. Happy observing!